Before you rush into the noise of the day, pause for a moment and breathe. Let your shoulders drop, let your mind settle, and give yourself the space to reconnect with the calm that already lives inside you. Every morning gives you a fresh chance to choose the direction of your life. You can repeat the same patterns as yesterday, or you can create something better, something brighter, something more aligned with who you want to be. Your day begins with the decision you make the moment you open your eyes, the decision to guide your thoughts toward what is good, what is working, and what is already a blessing in your life. Ask yourself right now, what is good in my life today? Hold that thought and let it expand inside you. Start your day with intention. Today I will be present. Today I will be kind. Today I will be patient. Today I will be the example I expect from others. Today I will give my best in every moment. Intention shapes everything. When you focus on the good, more good appears. When you focus on stress, you invite more stress. When you focus on gratitude, your entire world shifts. Happiness is not something you chase. It's something you create by appreciating what you already have. Grateful people naturally become joyful people. So spend time appreciating the small things, the simple things, the things you usually overlook. Spend time setting the tone for the day you want to experience. Feed your mind something uplifting, something that strengthens your spirit and expands your mindset. You attract what you believe. You attract what you expect. You attract what you feel, so choose to feel good. Choose to rise, choose to grow. Your only job this morning is to get yourself into a powerful state. Ask yourself, how can I feel great today? How can I grow today? How can I make someone else's day better? How can I show up as the best version of myself? Open your eyes to the magic around you. There are miracles in your life that stress has been hiding. There is beauty in the ordinary. There is opportunity in the challenges. Step out of your head and into the present moment, because this moment is where your power lives. Today is a blank canvas. You get to paint whatever you want on it. No matter what comes your way, you are the artist. Add color, add joy, add life, add meaning. Leave nothing off your canvas. When you wake up, ask yourself what truly matters today. Is it worth rushing through the morning in a cloud of stress, or can you slow down and enjoy this moment? Can you breathe deeper? Can you think clearer? Can you set the tone for the rest of your day? You decide the kind of day you will have not by what happens, but by how you respond. You can choose presence. You can choose patience. You can choose to look for the good. You can choose to rise above obstacles. You can choose to write your own story instead of letting life write it for you. You can choose strength. You can choose peace. You can choose growth. You can choose joy. Today is yours. Own it. Shape it. Live it with intention. Carry yourself with purpose. Move through your day with confidence. And remember that every moment is a chance to begin again, to shift your energy, to redirect your focus, and to create the life you want. You are capable. You are strong. You are growing. And today is another step forward.